In this video, you are going to write equivalent expression using what we call the distributive property. Distribute means to share or to give out. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to take this number that is right next to the parentheses and multiply it with each term inside the parentheses. The parentheses means to multiply. So let's go ahead and distribute my -3 with each term inside. So it's going to be -3 times +7. So let me just write it here to show you how I'm distributing. Then I'm going to have -3 again times 5 1/3 G here. All right. So what you notice, I share my -3 with each term inside. That's how we distribute. Distribute means to give out, right? So if you want to get rid of the parentheses, all you need to do is to distribute the factor or the number outside the parentheses with each term inside. So when I multiply -3 times +7, I am going to get -21 because positive times negative is equals to a negative. -3 times 5 1/3, that's going to be -48 G. Again, let us just review what we just did. So when you distribute, basically what you're doing is sharing the factor outside the parentheses with each term inside. So in this parentheses, we have 2 terms. So we are going to share the 3 with the 2 terms. If you have 3 terms, you would say do the same thing. It doesn't really matter how many terms you have inside the parentheses. All you need to do is to share that factor outside with each term inside. When I share by -3, I am going to have -3 times 7, and I am also going to have -3 times +5 1/3 G. These are 2 unlike terms because if you notice, one is a constant and one have a variable. Therefore, there's nothing else we can do with this. We leave it as it is. So my answer is going to be -21 minus 48 G. And that is how you use a distributive property to write an equivalent expression.